I have half a stick of butter, unsalted, and some clam juice from a 28-ounce can of Chef's Quality baby clams. A lot of clams, right? I was going to go with linguine, angel hair. I wanted to use the Colavita Radiators, unsalted butter, 0.4 liters of clam juice, and bring it to the fire, wait for it. Once it comes to a boil, I didn't know how I was going to flavor it. We're just going to use a tablespoon Italian seasoning, get that in there. Now it's going to infuse the butter, not the juice, because I threw it on top and the butter rises, obviously. And then in with the pasta. And you want to toss everything and coat all the pasta with the butter. Making sure everyone's all in their wet party. And they're all wet. Looking good. Ooh, I haven't had pasta in a while, and I haven't had radiators in a longer time than that. I want to put on the lid and bring it back to the fire. And last but not least, 0.2 liters of white wine. You gotta put it in, it just makes it taste so much better. Wait for it. And there you go, in less than 15 minutes. Whoa, look at all that steam. Less than 15 minutes. I have pasta, perfectly cooked. All you see is the butter on the bottom. Give it a taste. Yep. Got that little chew to it. It's perfect. Could have used a little bit more wine, not gonna lie. But I made this for one reason and one reason only. I'm adding something to it, so I already know how I want it. And that's exactly how I want it. In less than 15 minutes. Come on. That's how long it takes to boil water. They don't teach this in a culinary school. Look at the color. Amazing, right? Where are you going to get pasta that looks like that? Alright, love you.